Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a few days later. I'm just now getting the chance to wrap these gifts. It's actually the day before her birthday, so tomorrow is her birthday, so I need to get wrapping. This is the wrapping paper that I chose. I just spread this cloth on the bed because I don't want, Anyways, this is the wrapping paper. I don't think it's picking up, but it's pretty cute. I love it. I'm just gonna wrap these. Is there something else? Oh yes, there is something else. A shirt. Okay, so let me get wrapping. I'll be back.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say,
okay, we're all done. I wrapped everything. That one. This is my favorite. She's gonna love it. And this, and then this. So let me do a thumbnail real quick. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm gonna let her open this one tonight because it's something she could wear tomorrow. Yeah. Anyways, along with wrapping the gifts, now I have to prep the food that I have to cook for tomorrow. She's obsessed with crab and rice. So yesterday we bought the crab. We went out yesterday and found crab. We did the legs yesterday. She already ate those. Now I'm going to, I'll show you guys a clip of us finding the crab.
Oh, no, I don't touch them.
I figured that's what she was asking, you know.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, he's good. It's a good one. Yes, please. Alright.
The club, go next. I get this one.
This one I didn't. Yeah. Ooh, look at this spider. That's what you call it?
Spider.
Ooh. That's a big one.
That's my pizza too.
Huh?
Look at my pizza too. Oh, I want
Oh my god. He say no, not me. Not me. But this one fat.
Oh, yes.
This one too. This one, look at him. Oh, they're all decent size though. Now I need to clean these. Here. I gotta clean them. Oh, anyways, I'm prepping to cook the crab and rice. That's what we're doing. I might show you some of the process, maybe not. But yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you some of the process of me cleaning and prepping these crab for the crab and rice. This is the most annoying part of it. I don't like to do it. You need a brush to clean these crab. You really need to clean these properly. Let's just start. Okay, start with the crab. First we're gonna just kind of brush the exterior. I think this is like my third time doing this, so I'm not a pro, but I'll show you what I do from learning off Facebook, YouTube. Okay. Pull this back. I have something for trash, garbage right here, and then I'm gonna put the crab fat in this that we're gonna save for the rice. Okay. Open that, and then you kind of like pop this open. Oh. I cannot. Get rid of this. Rid of that. And this is what we're saving, some of the crab back. But don't go all the way in the back, because once you go all the way in the back, it's just some bitter stuff that you get. And this is trash, this is garbage, we're not going to use this. We're definitely keeping this, you just got to clean it up. Throw that away. Okay, this is basically it. So this is what we get out of one crab, and then of course you save this. We're gonna clean this, scrub this, make sure it's clean, and sometimes I break this in half. And yeah, so that's one crab down. Let me do the rest and I'll get back with you guys. These you just clean them, and I think you could just like crack it, but don't do too much, and add it to your rice as well. Okay guys, we're back. This is all I got from the 5 small crabs. I'm gonna cook that in the rice, and these are also going in the rice. So just the bottom of the crab. Still need to clean these, so I think I'm gonna clean these like 2 more times, and then yeah, let me put the lime water in right now. Oh my gosh, ain't no juice in this. Okay, so I'm gonna let them sit in the lime water while I clean them, and then give it a wash. So I need to go over all of these and really get all in the creases and creamish. What is that word? I don't know what they say. Creases and creamish. Make sure it's clean. You don't want to see no black. You don't want to see no black. You just do as much cleaning as you can. They take time, but it's important to make sure it's clean. And then, as I said, I'll break it in half. Do a knife. See all the meats. So yeah, this is how they go in the pot. This size is good. So let me do that for the rest of these, and I'll be back.
Upset.